Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is a review video on anti-aging topic. I have already done few videos on serums and some DIY packs for anti-aging. If you wish, you can watch that. In this video, I will be covering my review on Blue Nectar Shubhr Anti-Aging Cream. So this is the tub. This is how it looks. It comes in a glass jar with a golden lid. So this brand I recently came to know from NECTAR. I was exploring some natural products and this came up and caught my attention. So coming to the product descriptions, this comes in a jar of 50 gram and this cost around 895 rupees. I bought this when there was a discount in NECTAR. The description shows the vital herbs which is present in this product. It is paraben free and sulfate free. It contains mulethi, saffron, sandalwood and 14 vital herbs in it. I will show you how it looks inside. This is a huge tub and it will last you for 5 to 6 months definitely if you use only for face. I have used this on my hand and feet as well, so it got over in 2 to 3 months. I have only little bit left in this jar. This is the glass jar. See, this is how much it left. I have used it completely. So inside there is a plastic lining which looks like this. So I thought it's completely a glass jar, but it's a heavy jar. The cream comes in a little bit thick consistency with the color of sandalwood and a nice fragrance of sandalwood. It is not at all bothering for sensitive noses. It is a very light smell. I like the smell also. Coming to the efficacy of the product, this gets absorbed very quickly into the skin. Even though it looks heavy, after you apply it, it's not heavy. But if you are a person with oily skin, you have to use very tiny amount, because if you take too much it will make your face greasy, and if you have a dry skin then it is going to be highly moisturizing for you. This is best suited for dry skin people. And for me, according to my experience, this is a really good product without any harmful chemicals. If you are a person who is looking for a herbal remedy for anti-aging purpose, looking for any anti-aging creams, you can opt for this. It will really firm up your skin. I have used this for about 1 month and this is the second month. And my mom also used this for last 2 months and she is also satisfied with this product because it really firmed up her skin and also made the skin even tone. You need to use it consistently to see the changes in wrinkles. I don't have visible wrinkles, so I have only few fine lines which this product made really invisible. It made my skin smooth and firm. Since it does not contain parabens and sulfates, you can give it a try and let me know in the comment section if you like this product. Also, one thing I noted is that since it's an Ayurvedic formula, it will take little bit time to show the results. It will not be showing any results overnight like some other products, so you need to wait and see. But definitely this is a really good product if you are above 25 or above 30. this is really going to work well for you, and you can also use it as a regular moisturizer. After washing your face, apply this on your face with upward movements. All the directions of usage will be given in the outer package itself. You can also refer that. I have used this in morning and also in night for 2 months, and this made my skin tone evens out the skin tone. It also worked on my scars. I have few acne scars, and this product worked on that too. So I sincerely recommend to try this product out. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.